Welcome to another video on QuantumPOS. QuantumPOS is an efficient, easy to use, and affordable sales and stock management software package. We are present in most countries in Southern Africa. We have agents who can physically come to your shop in South Africa and Zimbabwe and Zambia. But we don't restrict ourselves to selling in those countries. We can sell and give you support online from anywhere, wherever you are. Now, today we're going to talk about serial numbers, how to handle them, how to manage them in QuantumPOS. Okay, so there are situations where you are selling products that have serial numbers, and it's a sensitive area where you need to know which customer went with this particular serial number, for example. You may also want to know where it came from and things like that. Or you may want to actually find out, okay, what are the serial numbers of a certain product that I have in stock? So all of those things QuantumPOS can do. Let's do it together real quickly. So I've got a product here. I'm going to enter new stock. This product is injectors, 1KD injectors. So I'm going to enter 3 of them. That's all I need. Let me save this purchase. Okay, so automatically it then tells me to enter the serial numbers for the injectors that I'm entering into stock right now. So I'm just going to give them any funny serial number here. This one is 201. Okay. All right. I've saved the serial numbers. They're now in stock. We're making a sale. Someone has come to buy the 1KG injectors. We have 8 in stock. Maybe I only want to sell 2. We'll go here. Now, what it does is it's showing me all the serial numbers for this product that are in the system. Okay, so these are all the serial numbers for the product that are available, not yet sold. So I can then pick and say, okay, I want to sell SN123. That's the one I'm giving this client, and this one 100. All right, I submit that. Client makes the payment. Invoice comes out. This is an A4 size invoice. Remember, with QuantumPOS, you can do A4 size invoices or 80mm receipts that are printed on the small receipt printers. You will see here on the description, we now have the serial numbers also indicated there clearly. All right, so you can then print this out and give to your customer. In the event that you just want to make a follow-up, whatever day it is, you can go under stock, serial numbers, check serial number. I'm going to check for a serial number of 100. Search, let me make this bigger so that we all see. You see that it says, okay, this is the date it came in, this is the supplier, the date it went out, and the invoice number where it went out, and the status this was sold. Or I can simply look for a product. Let's say I've got the 1KD injectors. Then I say view all serial numbers for product. And these are all the serial numbers for that product. You can see these are in stock, these are sold. And that's how it is. All right. So this is QuantumPOS, easy to use. Get in touch with us. We'll give you the software. You can even try it out for free. Wonderful. Bye-bye.